Good evening, guys. Hey, I am back on here to give you another tour of another one of our listings. This just came on the market a couple of days ago. This is on Arlington in Smithton, number 8 Arlington, and it's right behind me. You can see it is brick home, brick ranch with a 2-car garage, and it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. It has 1,685 square feet. It is on a crawl space, which was actually just recently encapsulated, so no worries about any water problems or anything like that in the crawl space. But let me give you a quick tour. I have another showing coming up right after I get off of here, so I gotta kind of be quick because I'm going on Instagram next. All right, so as you can see, this is on a cul-de-sac. All right, let me show you. This is the cul-de-sac. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 driveways that come off of this cul-de-sac. This yard is very nicely landscaped. I love the stone trim all around all the flower beds and around the tree. Everything's just been freshly mulched, and I want you to focus on this front porch. So we have a nice big generous walkway here to get up to the front porch, and then we have a long porch here so we can sit down on our rocking chairs, have a cup of coffee, just relax and enjoy being out here. It is super quiet out here. You really can't hear much of anything. And as you can see, it is a brick home. Let's walk inside here. It has a nice storm door. And then as we enter, you're going to see the wood floor in the foyer. And then check out this nice big living room. It has a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan. And it is pretty open to the kitchen and the dinette space. So we have a laminate wood or a vinyl plank. I'm not sure exactly. I'll have to double check. But this is beautiful flooring throughout the dinette and the kitchen. It has a breakfast bar right here, which is L-shaped. So you could get 2 seats here and probably 2 more seats on this side if you needed to. All of the stainless steel appliances that you see here are included. So refrigerator, stove, and microwave, and the dishwasher. Yes, it has a dishwasher. And then this corner sink I think is really lovely because you can stand here at your sink and see everything that's going on in the living room, kind of out on the patio a little bit, and in the dining room. And that we do have a bay window over there on the dining room too. Also, I wanted to point out that we have some pull-out shelves in some of these cabinets, which I love. And I want to show you this pantry. So we don't have like a, walk-in pantry or anything like that, but this is plenty of space for all of your food items, your pantry items, obviously. Okay, guys, so let's move on. While we're here, I'll give you a quick peek into the garage. This door opens into the 2-car garage. As you can see, the walls are totally finished out, and we have some built-in cabinets in the garage, which makes keeping things organized a little bit easier. Your electric panel is out here, and then you have access to the attic there. We do have a window in this garage. Alrighty, so then let's head over to the bedrooms. So this house is priced at $244,000. It's just real close to 1,700 square feet. We have an attic fan here in the hallway. We have a full guest hall bathroom here, which has the tub shower combo. And very nice fixtures, newer toilet it looks like, tile floor, And then we have 2 bedrooms right here next to each other. So this is one of our spare bedrooms. Very nice size room. That would be, I believe it is a full-size bed. We have this nice big hutch curio cabinet or armoire. Let me get it right. And then we have bedroom number 2. We have bifold doors on the closets. Wood casing around the windows. And then we have the laundry room. So we have a nice spacious laundry room. We have some shelving here. Another access to the attic right here. Access to the crawl space right there next to the dryer, I guess that is. And then we have our water heater and furnace in the utility room here also. Now, check out this master suite. We have a nice big master suite, primary suite, with a walk-in closet. So let's take a gander in here. Lots of shelves in the master closet. And we have the shoe rack hanging on the back of the door. I actually need one of those. And then we have the master bathroom. This was actually just remodeled, guys. Look how beautiful this is. New flooring, new toilet, new vanity, new mirror. Look how pretty that mirror is. New light fixture, freshly painted. And then check out this tub shower situation, right? And it even has a linen closet here behind the door. All right, let me know what you guys are thinking so far. We've had, I guess, 5 or 6 showings on it already, and another one scheduled after I finish up here. I want to take you out to the backyard so you can see this beautiful patio. What do you think about these doors? I love these doors. And they even can be stained if you want to stain them. They're not finished. So we have this beautiful aggregate pebble type of patio back here. And I don't know the exact dimensions, but as you can see, it is really big. We have room for this dining space, hot tub, the grill, and it is surrounded by beautiful landscaping. This fountain is going to stay as well, and it does work, and it's a beautiful thing when you have it running. The owners don't live here, so they don't keep it running when they're not here. Okay, so as you can see, the landscaping goes all the way around the patio. You can tell there's a field right here that the property adjoins to. You can kind of see 159 from here, and that's the fire department right there, Smithton Fire Department. And then you can see right over there, that's FCB Bank, or Bank of Waterloo over there in the distance. And I think you can probably see No Jacks right over there too. Let's see, can we zoom in? Yeah, there's No Jacks and Apex and the doctor's office. So that gives you kind of a frame of reference as to where we are here. The play set is going to stay as well. And the property actually extends over to this corner right here where the trampoline is. That trampoline is on this property as well. So if you were to come out here in the spring and summer, you would see some beautiful blooming trees back here and bushes. We do have pictures of that. If you would like to see those, just reach out to me and I will gladly send them your way. the siding is half of each side and on the back. So basically it's half brick, half siding. All right, guys, well, I'm going to take you back in, give you one last look of the living room. It smells so good in here, too. All right, so it's a beautiful evening. It's a little bit windy. It's kind of chilly. I like that chilly fall, freshly fall weather, you know. So anyway, that is it. I am done showing you around, and if you guys have any questions at all, please reach out to me or to your favorite realtor. Schedule a showing. We would love you to come through and take a look in person. I hope you're having a great night, and stay tuned. I think I'll have another tour for you in just a few days. We just listed a new house, a new property in Smithton today. So stay tuned for that. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.